Hello, so Remedy here. How to build a complete Laravel crypto wallet platform that has send, trading bots, receive. You can send, receive crypto trading bots, and a powerful admin. All right. So you're going to learn how to build a complete Laravel crypto wallet platform with send, swap, trading bots, and a powerful admin. So if you're looking at the front end, you're going to see how sleek the front end looks. All right. So for those into QFX, educational purpose, so you can see how sleek it looks. So one good thing about this crypto wallet is like you can add unlimited amount of crypto coin from the admin. All right. So you can add the list of crypto you can add is unlimited, provided the cryptocurrency exists on CoinGecko. It can be added on this crypto wallet. All right. So for this is for educational purpose only. All right. So will not be held responsible if it's being misused for any reason. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how this crypto wallet works for those into control finance system or QFS website. So this is what you need. All right. So let's go ahead. So let's start by importing wallet. So once you want to port wallet now, we'll come here and create an account. And let me just quickly create an account and show you how the process works. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's retype the password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so you can look at what we've typed. So if we have a referral here, we can add our referral, but we don't have a referral. So let's go ahead and create an account. All right, so we've created an account. It comes to where we set up wallet address. So if we are new and we don't have wallet address, you can click here to set up a wallet address. But if we have, we can import our wallet address. So if we click here, we can import a wallet address. So we have a list of wallets, crypto, this thing we can import. If you look at others, you can put the name if your own doesn't exist. So suppose I want to import my Trust wallet. So it's a 12 word key. This is the place I enter the key. So I will paste my wallet address here if it exists. All right. So if my wallet address exists, I will paste it there. So I'm going to paste my address if it exists. So let me paste this. All right, let me try. I'm going to paste a random wallet there. It has been imported. That's if it has balance, it has been imported. So let's have one. Let's create a passcode. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. So let's now put the pin code 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are done with the user registration. So I'm going to show you the user dashboard now. This is the user dashboard. You see, this is the cryptos we have, the cryptocurrencies that we have. Look at it. We can add more if we want. Yeah, if we click on manage, anyone we don't want, we can turn it on or off. If we don't want Bitcoin, we can turn it on off. All right. So let's come back here. So you see the dashboard. I'm going to show you the dashboard overview. This is your balance. This place you can send crypto. You can send via to person's ID, or you can send via cryptocurrency, right? So you select crypto that you want to send. Now there is a person need to do KYC before I can send. So I need to do KYC before I can send. So let's because this KYC can be turned on or turned off by admin. If admin wants to turn it on, it can turn it off. Suppose now I don't want this person to do KYC, or let me go ahead and do the KYC. Let me follow all the process. All right. So let me just upload a KYC document. Let me upload a proof, the back, then upload the proof of residence. All right. So this feature can be turned on and off by admin. So let's submit. So we submitted KYC. So it's left for admin. So your document is under review. So it's left for admin to approve the KYC, right? So this is the admin dashboard, right? It's currently KYC status is suspended. So if you click on KYC verification, this is the KYC. We can look at the front, back picture. So let's go ahead and prove it. So KYC has been approved. So let's come back. So if you refresh now, you see that KYC account has been approved. So we can go ahead and send crypto now. So let's say we want to send. I told you that this one is for send, receive, buy. You can buy crypto. Here now you can sell. All right. It also has a boot features that you see. This is the trading boot features. All right. You can link external wallet as well. If you click on link wallet, you can link external wallet. All right. So you put the wallet phrase and connect. So that's not what I want to first of all show you how we can either receive or send. So let's send now. So we are sending. So sorry, let me use this click. You can send either via click this or send via cryptocurrency. So let's send via cryptocurrency. So here now, let's say we want to send BTC. All right. So let's send BTC. So let's send BTC. So currently there's what they call gas fee. Your withdrawal is on hold. So there's something called gas fee that we need to perform. When we click on it, we copy address and make the payment for the gas fee. All right. But I need to turn this feature off from admin. All right. So let me log in. Let me go back to the admin and turn this feature off for this user. So let me show you this user. This is the user. This is the admin dashboard, the user management. This is the place you can fund any wallet. Suppose I want to fund this Bitcoin wallet. I can put the amount I want to fund. Let's say I want to fund 0.07. So I will add this to this wallet. All right. Okay. So what I want to do now is to turn off some of the features that it has. So they said I should, let me check this thing, verify the email. The key, gas fee is requiring this gas fee. So let me turn it off. Let me enable swap. Let me enable sending of crypto. Admin can disable it. All right. Swap fee, KYC fee, all these features can be enabled. All right. Even the require wallet connect, if I disable it, it will not show for the user. So these things can be done from the admin. This is the recovery phrase. That's the wallet phrase he uploaded during registration. You can see it. Admin can see it as well. All right. So let's save the changes. All right. So it will not longer ask us for KYC. So we can go ahead and send crypto. All right. So remember, I funded this thing. Look at. I don't know. Let me show you, because remember we had zero here before. So that crypto I funded, that's what I want to send out. All right. Because I didn't show you how I funded it. Let me go ahead back and show you. So what if currently, if you look currently, we have Bitcoin now, $4,700. Ethereum is 0. So I can fund this one now to have, let's say I want to fund Ethereum now. Let's say I want to fund this one to be 0.8 Ethereum. So I can add. All right. So I've added 0.8 Ethereum. So this one now, from 0 now, it will now have 0.8 Ethereum, which is equivalent to $1,595. All right. So I'm going with the send. You can either click on this and send. So I want to follow this. I'll click on this. Then I will come here and put my wallet address. If you put wrong wallet address, it will not go. I will select the amount I want to send. I can use, say, maybe I want to send 25% or thereabout, 100% thereabout. So the network fee is 0.05. So I'll go ahead and start sending. So the transaction is processing. All right. So confirm. So it's currently on pending. All right. So when you come to this withdrawal, you see that this withdrawal is currently on pending, right? So same thing, we can receive crypto via BTC, right? We copy the wallet address and receive the crypto and send and receive the crypto. So here now, if you come to admin, you will see all transactions here. Look at this, it's pending. We can mark it approved. So we send the crypto to the person and mark it completed, right? All right. So we have the desk, that's the exchange, where we can exchange cryptos. Look at this. So suppose now we want to exchange from Bitcoin to USDT TRC20, like this TRC20. So we select the amount. We can select from the listing 25%. This is what we're going to get. This is our network fee. So let's go ahead and swap. it will be on pending. All right, so with waiting pending approval. So we can go ahead and approve this. Currently our USDT ROC20 is still 0. So once admin approves it, so with this approval, you can make it to be done automatically or pending on approval. So it has that features there when admin can turn it so that it can be automatically done. All right. So once we come to swaps, all right, we are going to see the swap, so we can approve it. We are approving it now, so it has been what approved. All right, so this is the send, this is the receive, this is the referral, this thing you can refer user, this is the trading bot, so we can subscribe to both trading, right? So this is a very powerful system where we can subscribe to both trading, right? So look at that, we have all the crypto assets that we can subscribe to their both trading. Look at that. So suppose I choose BTC now, I will choose a boat that I want to trade with, choose the minute I want, 10 minutes, then choose the amount, then I will go ahead and what? Subscribe. Insufficient USDT. So let's reduce it to, let's say, 200. Okay, sorry, I'm using the listing has only 500, so I'm using 200. So let's reduce it to 300 and subscribe to that bot. We have fully subscribed to this bot. All right, so it will be reading here. So bot trading is there. You can bot trade. All right, so we can buy crypto. So let's say we want to buy BTC, we put the amount we want, we choose payment method, Binance, Bank, and MoonPay, and we go ahead and buy from them. So we can manage the cryptos. So here we can turn it on or turn it off, right? We can turn it on or turn it off. If we don't want crypto BTC to show, we turn it off. If we don't want Ethereum to show, we turn it off. All right. So here now is the crypto addresses. You see all the ones that ERC20, ERC20, and a whole lot of them. All right, so it's very, very robust. We see the notifications we have, this thing we've completed. Look at that. So this is a very, very robust system. Very, very robust. So look at that. And another thing is that it has both dark and light mode. All right, look at that, it's turned to dark mode. This is the dark mode. Here now we can link wallet. All right, we can link wallet. So we can link wallets. So these are list of wallets. When you click on others, you can add the name of the wallet you want to put. So we have list of wallets we can do. Let's say we want to import, link this thing. We are going to put the wallet trace and we connect. So we have connected the wallet address. We now have the wallet address, this thing, we have it now. So it has been connected. So let's go to dashboard. All right. So we're seeing that. So we you can add as many crypto as you want. So let's suppose now I want to let's look at the admin fully. Let's look at the admin fully, right? Let's look at the admin. This is the admin dashboard. This is the manage user, right? This is the manage user. Here now is the place I told you is a place you can fund any of the wallets. Any of the wallet. This is the place you can fund it. Even though you add new wallet, this is the place you can fund it. Now here now you can, when you click on here, you see all the wallet addresses for the user. All right, here now you can put the fee. You can put the fee for all the coin. All right, so here now you can put the swap fee as well. Here if there's user card, if a user creates a card, here now you see the recovery phrases that the user connected, right? No, during the registration. Here now you see all the profile manager. So if you turn on email verification, it will require the user to verify an email. KYC, the same thing. If you turn it off, swap. If you turn on swap fee, so when the user is swapping, it will collect fee. If you turn on KYC fee, the user will request for fee for the user to same thing with gas fee and the rest. If gas fee is turned on during this thing, you're required to pay gas fee. So these are the changes you can make. You can also change password, all right? So here now is the KYC verification place where you verify KYCs. So this one is for the boats. So you can create a boat plan here. These are the boats. So you can create a new boat plan here. These boats are automatically done. So choose the kind of crypto they are going to trade. All right. So these are, you can either view the boats and their trading. So this one is for subscription. They are both subscription as well. These are the trades. So the trades, you can either put it a win or a loss, right? Manually if you want, but it's automatically done. All right. This shows you all the transactions the users have done. All right. Here now are all the swaps the users have made. From here now you can send messages to users. So now let's go to this one is the connected wallet. All the wallets that has been connected, the user that connected is the wallet address and the wallet phrases. You can see them there. All right. You can delete, you can pause them, make it inactive, or allow it to be active. All right. So another thing you're going to see is how to the cryptocurrencies. These are all the cryptocurrencies. Remember that I told you that you can add as many cryptocurrency as you want. All right. So suppose now I want to add a cryptocurrency. All right. So what I'm going to do is to click on add cryptocurrency. This is the symbol, the name, and the distance. So let's float and add one cryptocurrency. Let me show you how it works. All right. So let's go ahead. So suppose I want to add this H bar. So let's click on H bar. So I want to add Hydra. So let's go ahead and add this crypto. So how do we add it? So the name is this. So I'll copy the name. All right. So let me put the name here. This is the name. So the symbol is H bar, right? That's the symbol H bar. And the full name is Hydra. So I don't know whether it's a native coin or is an ERC20 coin. Is a native, right? So it's a native coin. It's not an ERC20. So we leave it at native. So the API price ID. So we need, this thing is very important. This is what is used to fetching the prices. All right, because we're going to run a cron job that fetches prices during our setup. All right. So the API ID, look at this. This is the API ID. So you need to go and grab this thing because it's very important for you to fetch the prices in real time. So this one, we grab the prices. So the color we want to give it, we can give it any color of our choice. The withdrawal fee we want it to have $0.2. The swap fee, people swapping in it, how much are they going to charge them? So the display order, how do you want it to be displayed? You want it to be at the first or you want it to be at the last? So I want it to be at 37. All right. So icon, the picture of the Hydra. Now let me use URL. So how do I get the URL? So I will go here. All right. I will copy. I will grab the what's it called and click on this image here. Click on open. Then grab the URL of the image. Right. So I will put it here, and I will create it. It has been created, so it will be in the 33. All right, so currently now the prices have not run, so the next conjob that will run will fetch the prices. Hydra has been added, so you can add as much as you want. You can add as much as you want until you're tired. All right, until you're tired, and it will be set. So another thing you need to do is to the general settings. So the general settings, how does it work? You put your site name, email. If you want user to verify email, you can click here and turn it on. If you want to require approval for crypto swaps, you turn it on. Referral and instant bonus. This is where you put your logo. Another thing is the email settings. All right. So this is the email setting. This is where you set up SNTP, emails that will be sent for the user. And this is the wallet settings. So this is the place where you add all the wallet addresses. This is the Hydra that I've added. I've not added the wallet address. So I will add the wallet Hydra wallet address. You grab your Hydra wallet address and you add it here. All right. So this one is about the script. So in the about the script, it lists all the features of this script. You are going to read and see all the features. We made everything easy. You can join our Telegram, visit our website, and a whole lot of things. So this script is very advanced. So you can add as many cryptocurrencies as you want from admin. I've shown you. So let me add one more again. Let me add one more again. Let me show you how to add more again. All right. So let's say we want to add no, let me, it's like we have Shiba Inu there. We have Shiba Inu. Let's add another. I'm looking at, we don't even know the ones we have here. So let's add render. Let's add render. Right. I'm looking for something has been rebranded. Okay. So the name is render, right? The same thing is just render. Let me just copy it. Render. So let's click on add crypto. So the name is render, the symbol is render, so the full name is render. Is it a native crypto or is on yeah, this thing is on ERC20. Look at it. I tell you it's on ERC20. So we are going to say that it's on ERC20. This is important to detect the addresses that we will use. So let's get the next thing is to get this API prices. All right, this thing is very important. So we get the API prices. All right, so let's get the API prices. Okay, so here is the API prices here, render token. So we copy it. So we come here, render token, withdrawal 0.02, that's fee for withdrawal 0.03. So the display, where do you want it to apply? Let's say we want it to be at 38. All right, so let's put the icon of this thing. We use icon URL. So what we just need to do is to scroll down here and click on open new tab, then copy the URL, come here and paste it. All right, so we'll create the crypto. We have created cryptocurrency. We have initialized it for the user. So once we come here, we will see it. This is the render. We've added it. So the prices have not. If cron job runs now, it will fetch the prices. So I will show you. Let me run the, because I will run the cron job via what's it called via the link, because this is on my system. But I'll show you how to set up the cron job. All right. This is the cron job command for fetching of crypto assets and crypto this thing. Just your URL cron/token the number, right? You can change this token from the env so that people don't use it to kill off your database. So we use a token. So how do we do this? So now suppose now like this one now is running. Let me just run the cron job for the one on my local server. This one, you set it, it will automatically run on its own. You might set it to be every 3 minutes. Don't worry, I will show you how to set it up. All right. So let's say we want to run the cron job. You know, when this thing now, this stuff here, the prices have not been set because the cron job have not run to fetch the prices. So let me run it now and show you so that you see. So I'll put just in the URL, put this thing and click on this. So you allow it to run. Success, it has run successfully. This thing will be run automatically by your cPanel. I will show you how it runs. So it has fetched all the prices. If there is any boat running, it will, and the boat will run as well. All right, so let's go back. So if you come back now, refresh, you see that the prices will be fetched. All right, so we see the render prices, the 24-hour percentage, everything has been what fetched. All right, if we go back to this, if we have a goal that the time has reached for profit, we've made lost on this boot trades. All right, so it's automatically done everything. So the next thing I'm going to show you how to set it up. So for you to set it up, you are going to need a cPanel. You are going to need a cPanel. So I have a cPanel here, and you are going to need a domain name. So you get a domain name and get a cPanel. This site is a modern script, so it requires you to have a cPanel that run on PHP 8.2 and PDO works. All right, so the best thing is to go and get hosting and domain from Dynadot or Namesilo. Those ones don't easily kill their domains. You can get hosting from Hostinga, Namecheap, all those ones that have very strong this thing, or even you can, if you can afford and get from SiteGround, is okay. All right, so let's go ahead and show you how it works. So first you need the domain name, we need a hosting, then you will need the script. The script is not free. Once you need the script, because we've done everything for you, what you just need to install it and you start using. The script is not free, so we are going to give you DM us with our number on the description or even on the screen. You can see our number and you get the script. So let's go ahead and import it. So what do you need to do now? Once you've gotten your cPanel and your hosting and domain connected, what you need to do is to come to your cPanel dashboard, come to files, file manager, click on file managers, scroll down to the place you want to install it. This is the place I want to install in the public_HTML. So we are going to upload the file you are going to get from us that the script has been designed with. So we come here, click on select. All right, you are going to import the script. This is the script, Wallet Pro. We are going to import it. All right, so let's import the script. So the script is currently importing. So I don't want us to wait for us to complete wallet. So we can perform two actions together. We can perform two actions together. So let's go ahead and create a database, because we're going to need a database, right? So let's click on database. So the name we want to give the database is Wallet Pro. All right, that's the name we want to give the database. The database username, we're still going to give it Wallet Pro. All right, so the password, we're going to generate password. Let's generate password. All right, so let's create the new user. So here now we're going to give privileges. We're going to give privileges to this. So we give privilege, we click on next. So we've completed the settings. So this is the wallet address, username, this is the listing. So why that thing is it has finished uploading. So let's go ahead and reload, then we can now extract. And now it has been extracted. So if it's a new cPanel, you need to come here and show all hidden files. So once you show all hidden files, so you scroll down to where you have the .env, click on edit and do that. Once you click on .env and do that, you're going to put the database name here, set up the database. Okay, what I copied is a password, so we put the database name and the database password. So let's get the database name. The database name is this Wallet Prime Pro. All right, so we put this. Sorry, that is that from, and the data, they are both the same name, so we are going to still put that. Move the pro here. We are good. So we've connected the database, but know that we have not imported the SQL file, so we need to import the SQL file. So how do we import the SQL file? We come to the PHP admin. All right, so we click on Prime. This is our name of database is Wallet Pro. So we're going to click on import. We're going to import our database. All right, so this is the wallet database. So we click on it and import it. So once we import it and we've connected the database details here, the site should be up. So the site should be up, right? So if you click on the URL, it should be up, right? It's up. Look at it. We are up now. So the next thing we need to do is to set up the SNTP. So how do we set up the SNTP? We are going to click on, still here now. This is the SNTP. We need to set it up. All right. So we click on emails. All right, so we're going to create an email. Let's call it info. So we're going to create a password here, and we're going to what? Click on create. So we've created the email, and so what we need to do now is put our password here, put our email host. So how do we get our mail host? So when we click on this is the email we created, this is the mail. We can copy it and add it because it asks for it. This place is said username. The username is the name of the email. All right. Mail from is still the mail of the email we created, right? All right. So and the port is 465, the description. So what we need to get is the mail host. So most of the times the mail host is gotten by clicking on connected devices here. You scroll down, you get what the mail host is. This is the more this one is mail.the domain name, what it's supposed to be. All right. So we put the domain name here. That's this. So the email has been connected. So the next thing we need to do is that if we want to add live chat, we can add live chat by going to resources, views, layouts. All right. Sorry. Sorry. If we come to here, user layouts here, we can add our live chat to any of this code here. If we want to use live chat, we can add it to any of this code here. All right. So we don't want to use live chat. We're going to use our normal mailing. So this is our distance. So the next thing we need to do is to go to log into admin and set the site up. So we come to admin, put admin 123. All right, so this is the admin. So first thing we need to do is to come to, we can go to about the script and read much about the script. If you come to the about the script, you can read everything about it. So but we first of all start by clicking on general listing, put the name we want it to be, put the company name, all right, put the address, put the company phone and the company phone number, and these settings, if we want, we do it. So we'll go ahead and upload the site logo here. Okay, we'll upload the site logo. After that, we'll come ahead here and change the click on profile and change the admin email to our own so that we don't use default. Then change the password. Okay. Okay, so we come to wallet address and change all the wallet address to our own. All right, so the cryptocurrencies, you can add more if you want. You can add more. So you see the manage users. So you are pretty much done with setting up the distance. So you can come over here and create more bots if you want. You can create as much bot as you want if you want. So the system is set up for your use. All right, the system is set up for your use. So the swap and everything is now working properly. All right, so if you come to manage users, you can see the wallet connected. All right, so when you click on this place, it will show you the phrase, you see it here. You can put the KYC fee. If you want user to pay KYC fee, you can check this button required. If you want wallet connect to be done, if you don't want, you uncheck. If you want gas fee to be done for before transfer, you put it on. KYC fee, you can check all the boxes and all these things will be required. Anyone you don't want, uncheck it. All right, you uncheck it and make save. All right, so you can come here and fund amount you want. Like you want to fund 0.5 BTC to this person, you can fund to that person. So it's a very, very robust system. So you're going to contact me if you need it. It's strictly for educational purpose, right? It's strictly for educational purpose. Okay. All right. The next thing we need to do is to set up the cron job. So how do you set up the cron job? We are not yet done. So the next thing we need to do is to set up the cron job. This is the cron job command. Call your HTTPS, your URL. This. So we are going to copy the cron job command. All right. I will go to our cPanel, click on our cPanel home, scroll down or search for cron. Just search for cron our cPanel this thing, cron job. All right. Scroll down. We select let's say once per 5 minutes. So we'll put the command here. So you will replace this URL with your site correct URL. Currently, the site URL is this. So I will replace that stuff with the correct URL. All right. So let's replace it. So we are going to replace that with the correct URL. Then we click on add cron. So the cron job has been added. All right. The cron job has been added. All right. So can subscribe to our video, right? So this thing will be updating the cron every 5 minutes. It will fetch the prices of the crypto assets. All right. It will fetch the prices of the crypto assets. Okay. Look at that. It's going to fetch it. This one don't have those crypto we added. We can add them now. You can add them. You can add them if you want, but there's no time. You can easily add from admin. You can, if you want to add all the cryptocurrencies in CoinGecko, you can add it following the step. If you want, I can add one more again so that you see. Let me add one more again. Let's say we want to add. It's very easy to add. Let's add. Let's add Jupiter. That is Jupe. So the name is Jupiter. The sign is Jupe, J-U-B. So let's copy the name and let's click on add. All right. Click on symbol. The symbol is J-U-B and the crypto name is Jupiter. The full name is Jupiter. The network is on Solana, right? It's on Solana. Jupiter is a Solana coin. Let me see. Yes, Solana. That's the contract. It's Solana. So it's not native. Native are the ones that are not built on top of anything. So the API price is API price ID is very important. It's used for fetching the crypto coin. So we scroll down here, we look at the API price ID, we copy it for Jupiter, and we go ahead and put it here. All right. So we select the color green or any color we want. If you want charges during, if someone wants to swap it, we put the price for withdrawal, put the price there for swapping and for withdrawal. So the order, let's say we put it at 35. The order is where you want it to be shown for the user. So you can make it active for user. We put the URL and the upload icon as URL so that we can come here, right click on this, open image in a new tab, copy the URL here. All right, and paste it there. So we can create this. We have added it. So if you scroll down to the second line, that's because we put it at 37, you see it here. The prices will have not been updated. So if the cryptocurrency this thing runs now, it will update the price. Or if we want, we can do it manually. Let's update the price. Since this is the cron job command, we can just copy this. You can wait for this thing to run and update it. But if you cannot wait, we can just come ahead. You see, it's currently 00. It has not been updated, so we can go ahead and put this thing here and run. Yeah, prices has been what we have fetched prices. So if we refresh now, you see that the prices has been fetched. The current prices have been fetched. This thing now, this cron job runs every 5 minutes. If you want it to run every minute, you can edit it and make it to run every minute. So, but I will left it to run. You can, let's say we leave it to run every 3 minutes. We don't want it to run every minute so that we don't pull up CoinGecko API because we are using CoinGecko API, which is free. So we don't send a lot of this thing on their server on this thing on their free server. Though it doesn't matter, you can put it, but like we're not just being considerate on CoinGecko. Okay, so this is it. This is it. It's very, very robust. It's very, very robust. All right. So that's all. This is Remedy. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel and you get more updates.